In the last session, we had a very clear discussion, the very clear basic foundation. Sir, we did for Django almost around 5 or 6 small chota applications we covered just for basic idea purpose. Correct, right? Can you please confirm? Can you please confirm? Sir, still anyone facing the problem related to those applications? Do you know? First hello world application we did, sir. Hello world application we covered. Next, the second application to display date and time. To display date and time we discussed, sir. Third application we covered to display date and time. We discussed already this example. Next, third application we covered, sir, single application with the multiple views. Have remember single application with the multiple views, multiple view functions. Okay, like we covered. Sir, if you want a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, like we displayed that information, right? Single application with the multiple views. Next, single project with the multiple applications. Have you remembered, right? We covered this application also. Within the same project, if multiple applications are there, how you can able to do? At the urls.py, we faced one small problem. How to resolve that problem also we discussed, right? Okay. Next, after completing that, the next thing I discussed, do you know how to define URL patterns? How to define URL patterns at the application level instead of server level, and what its advantages, right? Sir, up to this, sir, these are the 5 examples we covered already. Can you please cross check all those 5 examples already there in your drive? I hope already I shared. If I didn't share, please let me know so that I will share that. Don't worry about that, sir. Okay, that's all. Sir, now I'm ready to go for next valuable important concept, the most valuable important concept, sir. Sir, up to this, can you please just spell out the steps also what we did, sir? What the first one? Start project. Again, what the first one? Start project. What is the second one, sir? Can you please confirm? I forgot the steps, sir. Can you please tell what is the first one? Start project. What is the second one? Start application. Okay, what is the third one, sir? Can you please spell out? Add application in the settings.py file. Regarding add application in the settings.py file. Okay, like this, right? Sir, after adding application in the settings.py file, define view function. Okay, and then after defining view function, what the next step we require to talk? Define view function. Define URL pattern. Regarding define URL pattern, either at application level or at project level. Anyway, it is going to work, sir. Next, the sixth one, sir. Define URL pattern. Next, run server or start server. Next, send the request. Regarding send the request. Okay, like we covered very clearly, sir, up to these 7 things. Clear, right? Sir, any doubt about these steps, please let me know so that I can explain. If you feel comfortable up to these 5 applications under these 7 steps, then happily we can go for next level. Okay, like so internal coding is not going to be executed, Saurabh, whenever we are run the server. Run server, it is always going to read the settings.py, these kind of things. In the settings.py, if you are performing any mistake, or urls.py, if you did any mistakes, there only this problem is going to be identified. Remember, if inside the view function, if you are doing any mistake, logical mistake, that mistake should be identified at runtime only. I mean, whenever you are sending the request only, because the code is not going to be executed at the time of server startup. That's fine. When that code is going to be executed, whenever you are sending the request, then only that problem identified. Sir, I observed Saurabh is asking a small doubt. Okay, yesterday there was one small mistake we did, and then later I corrected that. Anyway, just for your information sake, I'm sharing his doubt. You made a mistake in date time statement. When you run the server, then it was not caught by the server. It was only recognized when you hit the URL while. So whenever we are executing that code, then only the mistake will be identified. Because Python is the interpreted language. Line by line, it is going to execute. If the problem at settings.py, it will be identified at the beginning only. Remember that. Are you getting right? Any doubt? Okay. Sir, what is the next thing we have to discuss? What is the next thing we require to discuss about? What is the next one, sir? The most valuable important point. Up to this, everything we run the show with the V, sir. What is the V? Can you please tell? Everything we run the show with the V, sir. V. What is that V? What is that V? V itself is nothing but view function. Are you getting everything we run? Because have you remember, right? Django is based on MVT. Are you getting Django is based on MVT. In that, V means what? V means view. So that part already we covered. So view is always going to take one request as the argument, and it is the responsible, it's always going to take a request as the argument, and it is the responsible to provide a response, HTTP response, right? So that the function is by default considered a view function. View function contain business logic. View function is the responsible to decide which type of response we are going to display to the end user. Okay, it's a very clear for you people, right? Same way, next character I want to introduce in our cinemas, T, sir. Once you are going to feel comfortable with the T, basic idea with the T, then we will talk about M. So first, level 1, basic level one of this T. Let me explain, sir. Okay, T means template. What is the meaning of T, sir? T means what? Template. What is the meaning of template? That part I will discuss. Don't worry about this terminology, right? So now my doubt here is, up to these 5 examples, whatever we covered. Up to these 5 examples, whatever we covered. Every time we provided response. But that response is, how many lines of response I provided? Oddly, only one line. Regarding oddly, only one line response I provided, sir. Something like hello world, or something like server current date and time, or something like hello friend, good morning, just a wish message, something like. It's always going to provide only one line response. If you observe our previous application view functions, just have a look once, sir. If I consider some previous application view functions, if you are considering, what will happen is, just have a look once, sir. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Okay. Now here, if you observe that, okay, let me consider our examples. 9 AM examples. Okay, any applications are assume fourth application I'm taking. Okay, time app, view function. Have you observed? View function how many lines of response I'm sending to the end user? Only one line, sir. Hello, current date and time is so and so. Only one line response I'm taking. Suppose if you consider greeting application views.py, sir, only one line. Hello friends, good morning. Have a nice day. Only one line response I'm sending. Suppose my requirement is, sir, there's a big table I want to provide response. There's a big table I want to provide response, like big table I want to provide. Next and after that, in there some images also I want to include. In the HTML response, images also I want to include, sir. Sir, best example, let me show one small application, then you can able to get much clarity, sir. Here, just observe that the Django projects. Okay, like I have another folder is there. Anyway, we are going to develop DJ project like this. Now my requirement is py manage.py run server. Sir, already existing application I'm taking, sir. Just aware. Run server like this I'm taking. Now, if I send the request, sir, if I send the request, If I send the request, just observe that. Just observe. Yes, ma'am. Happily welcome to Durga Jobs. Continuous job updates for every hour. Like this, it's going to provide. Regarding continuous job updates for every hour, it's going to provide, sir. Now my target is my target here is if I click this Hyderabad jobs. Okay. Now the request will go to the template file. Now the request will go to the template file. That template file is the responsible. Sorry. Now the request will go to the view function. That view function is the responsible to provide response. Sir. This is the response I'm expecting, sir. Are you getting? This is the response I'm expecting, sir. Here I have observed some background image is there. Some background image is there. Some H1 tag is there. Next, some images I kept. Next, and after that, one table I kept. In the table, this total data we have to add. This total data we require to display. Wow. Now, can you please tell? Can you please visualize, sir, how much code I have to write inside view function? Are you getting? How much code I have to write inside view function? So, the total HTML code. The total HTML code is almost create in the table, inserting image. The total HTML code may contain 1000 lines of the code. 1000 lines of the code. Sir, is it a problem or not? Can you please observe? It's a problem. Next, another problem is, sir, is it HTML file or is it Python file? Is it HTML file or Python file? Can you please tell? It is a Python. It is a Python file. Python file, inside that, writing HTML code is nothing but, you know what will happen? It is not that much comfortable. If it's the HTML file, writing HTML file is okay. But if it's the Python file, writing Python code, never recommended. Not a good programming practice. Are you getting the problem? Are you getting the problem, right? So if you want to just send 1 or 2 lines of the response, no problem at all. If you want to send a huge response, then huge HTML response, then writing this type of thing is not at all recommended. Then what we have to overcome this problem, we should go for next beautiful concept is templates. Are you getting? Next beautiful concept, templates, right? This concept we should require to go for that. What will happen is, whenever we are sending the request, observe the flow very carefully, sir. Sir, what is the template? What is the template? Don't think too much. Template is nothing but simple HTML file. Are you getting? Template is nothing but HTML file. Now, whenever you are sending the request, assume that here this is my view function. This is the view function, right? Assume that this is my view function. Okay. Whenever you are sending the request, I'm sending the request, sir. Assume that I'm trying to send the request. If you are sending the request, then what will happen is this view function just it will render the response, render this HTML file. Just observe this word. This is HTML file is there, sir. Okay, results.html. Assume the results.html is there. What this view function is going to do is, what this view function is going to do is, if I'm going to display HTML response to the end user, total code I have to write inside view function, I'm facing some problem because Python should not contain HTML code. Okay, like what this view function is going to do is, it will contact this template file. This will contact this template file. Whatever response is there from this template file will display to the end user. Remember this one, sir. Will display to the end user. Observe that internally view function is going to ask a template file. Can you please provide required response so that I will display to the end user? Like this template file is going to provide yes whatever HTML response. So for the end user, it is going to hand over to the view function. View function is going to provide that response to the end user. Are you getting? The biggest advantage because of this template file is we are not required to write HTML code. The total HTML code we can delegate it to HTML file only. Any doubt? Are you in the position to understand? Is our life will become very simple because Python code we have to write inside Python file. HTML code we have to write inside HTML file, so that we never going to face any problem, because inside Python writing HTML code, inside HTML writing Python code is always a bigger problem, right? Okay, now that the view function job got simplified because of this template file. Remember this one. Sir, can you please guide who is going to use a template file? Please confirm who is going to use a template file. Don't tell programmer or Durga sir. Who is going to use a template file? Template file, view function. View function is going to use template file. This a template file. Who is going to develop? UI expert is going to develop. Because I'm just a normal programmer, man. I'm not strong in the UI. I'm not strong in the UI. UI developer is going to develop HTML file. HTML file that UI developer developed a colorful response I want to display to the end user. Remember this one, sir. I want to display to the end user. That colorful response I want to display to the end user. Please make sure you people should aware. That is the biggest advantage what we are going to get because of this template file. Clear, right? So the biggest advantage, roles separation is there. Python developer responsible to write Python code. UI expert is the responsible to develop this template file. Next, my Python file looks very clean and more readable. Next, HTML, you can write any big lengthy HTML response also, no problem at all. Simple, I can able to delegate to the end user. That is the biggest advantage what we are going to get because of these template files. Clear for all, right? Everyone can able to understand? Okay. Next, one more another advantage is there, sir. What is that advantage is, sir, this template file is required somewhere else. Somewhere else. Another view function also require this template file. No problem. Happily, another view function also can be reused as this one. Are you getting? Even it is going to promote reusability of the code also. Even it's going to provide a reusability of the code. The same template file can be used by multiple view functions also. Reusability will be there. Clear separation of roles is there. Next, the UI expert and Python expert are going to work parallelly. Within the less time only we can able to complete the task. Okay, like all facilities are there. That's why compulsory we should require to provide template. Template file usage must be compulsory. We require to use. Any doubt? Are you in the position to understand what is the basic need of template file? Still any explanation is required? Of course, I will explain with an example, so don't worry, just theoretically. Are you getting some basic idea? Oh, HTML code, not recommended to write inside Python file. That HTML code, we have to separate into special file. That special file is called template file. Mostly template files are going to developed by UI experts. Can you please confirm? Are you in the position to understand, right? Okay. Now I will have some task. Yeah. Good. Saurabh is 1 minute. Yeah. Now Saurabh is asking a small doubt. Of course, it is the conclusion also. Have a look once. So view meant for business logic, template meant for presentation logic. Can you please confirm? Yes or no? View meant for business logic, template meant for presentation logic. Can you please confirm? Correct or not? Ayo, correct or not? Yes, obviously, sir. Obviously, it's 100% pakka correct. So business code we have to write inside view function. Next, the presentation code we require to write inside sub template function. Remember, template meant for presentation, view meant for business logic. Okay, like that. But anyway, then immediately you may ask, what is M? What is M? Model. That part we are going to discuss. But whenever we are using M, immediately in your mind, one word should come in the picture. What is that word? Is DB. Database related is M, sir. Database related is M. Okay, like that. So template is used by view function. Template is used by view function. that template is going to display to the end user. Are you getting? If after doing the business logic, so view function has to provide response to the end user. So where that response is available, that response is available inside the template file. Template is used by view function. Better to use the word. Template is not part of the view. Vijay, getting the point? Template is used by view to display response to the end user. So one assistant to the view function is a template file, which is meant for presentation logic. Okay. Sir, if you are getting theoretically basic idea, then I will go for a small application side. Regarding a small application, then you people can get much clarity about this one. Can I go for that? Please respond. Can I go for that? Okay. Well. Here just observe that. Next, one more thing. Sir, template started means HTML started. Template started means usage of HTML started. How many people, sir, not attended my full stack web development? Those people compulsory you have to aware HTML, next CSS, and then Bootstrap. Please refer only these three parts immediately. Are you getting right? So Bootstrap, only these three topics you require to refer immediately, because these are three things compulsory we require to use in every application. So for these things, clear explanation, already videos I hope our people shared. Have you got those videos? The new members especially. Have you got already videos, right? Please spend some time, okay? But as early as possible, better to complete. So at least by Monday or Tuesday. Vijay, in Atom, no. Atom is just a helpful for navigation only. But why I'm not going to prefer this PyCharm, all these? If you are doing a small mistake, immediately PyCharm is going to tell, oh, you did this mistake. Regarding errors information, you can able to see in other editors like PyCharm. Then if PyCharm is going to tell that mistake, then my development will become easy, but we won't get anything. Are you getting right? That mistake we have to identify. That is the reason. At last I will explain by using PyCharm how you can able to develop applications. Don't worry. Okay, right, sir. So these things compulsory you require to practice. It's a highly recommended compulsory, sir. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. If you are facing anywhere the problem, please let me know. Okay. Now here take a bit very special care. I want to go for a small example. My example is, sir, movie. If I send a request, I want movie ratings. Observe that I want movie ratings in a table form. Are you getting? In a table form, sir. In a table form, I want to display the response. Oh, directly you are talking about table form, because if you want to develop the table tr, th, and so on, if it is a normal Python file, then it's a very difficult. But luckily template files are there. That's why our job will become very easy, sir. Okay, remember. Can I go for that? Yes, friends. Okay. Now there is only one small change in our application development. What is that change? Yes, these 7 steps are same, sir. Don't worry about that. These 7 steps are same. Now also, even after using templates also same. But only one thing I have to take. If any things are required, if any template files are required, after starting application, we have to create one special folder, templates folder. Can you please confirm where we have to create which folder? Please respond. What is the folder name? They respond, man. Templates folder, where we have to create in our project. project folder. Project folder means main project folder, because there are two project folders are there. Internal project folder is there, next main project folder is there. We have to create inside the main project folder one templates folder. Remember that, okay? Sir, if I create a demo project, assume that if I create demo project, in the demo project, sir, manage.py is coming anyway. Manage.py and demo project, like inner project folder also is going to come here. There are some files are there in it. Next and after that settings, next and after that urls.py, something like that there are. So inside the outer project folder, can you please create one special folder named with templates folder? Everyone can able to understand, right? What is the folder name we have to create? Templates folder. So this is for all the remaining applications. It is a mandatory activity. That's why please take a bit very special care. Name of the folder. Next and after that, sir, inside the templates folder, you have to take all your HTML files. Remember that all your HTML files we have to take. But anyway, inside the demo project, how many applications are there? How many applications we can take? How many applications we can take? Can you please tell? Multiple applications. Multiple applications HTML files. If we are going to take, there are 100 HTML files. Assume that, sir, 100 HTML files will come. 100 HTML files. Which HTML files are related to which application is always a problem. That's why good programming practice. Good programming practice. Inside the templates folder, better to create one folder named with your application. Test app. This is my application. Like inside this test app, another folder test app. Inside the all test application related HTML files better to define. That's all, friends. So if you are going to use any templates concept, this is one extra activity we require to do that. Any doubt? Any doubt? Can you please tell? In our main project folder, we have to create one special folder. What is the folder name? Please respond. What is the folder name? Templates folder. Inside the templates folder, we have to take another folder, another subfolder, application name. Whatever the application name, with the same name, better to take. It's a good programming practice. But it is a mandatory, but this is a good programming practice. Observe, template folder anyway compulsory required. In that, better to create application. In that application, all your HTML files are related to that application we have to place. Yeah, friends, everyone can able to understand? Correct, Saurabh. That is the next level concept. We can able to do that. Saurabh, correct. We can able to do that. But actually, in reality, that is a good programming practice, whatever you are telling. So it is a convention to use a test app because this application specific template files. It is a convention to use test app. It is application name. Okay, this application specific HTML files. If you can use, if you want, you can use any folder name, no problem at all. Just it is a convention cover. Need not be sir application name. But anyway, XYZ folder HTML means XYZ means which one? Instead of that, better to take application. So test app 1. Assume that I have multiple applications are there. Test app 1. Then test app 2. In the test app 2, okay, start.html like that. Everyone in a position to understand. Regarding now, how many applications are there? 2 applications are there. So these HTML files are related to test app 1. These HTML files are related to test app 2. This total thing is available inside template folder. Clear? Yes, usually in real time, a project can contain multiple applications. Banking project, for loan, one application, for loan related, registration related, one application. Next, something like multiple applications is by default considered as one project. Yeah, slowly, once we are going further, slowly you will get much clarity. What is the need of multiple applications and so on, like this, right? Saurabh, you are asking almost after 50% advanced word. Okay. Up to this is the clear. Any doubt? Any doubt? Sir, have you observed, right? Create templates folder in our main project folder. In the template folder, create a separate folder. Create a separate folder application. A separate folder. A separate folder with our application name. With our application name. Next, in that folder, we have to define, we have to create our HTML files. Can I use the word HTML files are nothing but template files or not? Can you please confirm? HTML files are nothing but template files or not? Yes. Okay. Itself is nothing but template files. That's all, sir. This is one extra activity. We have to do that. Any doubt? Any doubt? Up to this, it's a very clear for you people, right? Can you please confirm? Up to this, it's a very clear. Templates folder. In that application name, another folder. In that your required HTML files you have to define. Okay. Now let me show up to this. Okay. Sir, it is the fixed, sir. It is the fixed. Now what I want to do, let me stop the server. Let me go to our project folder, the Django projects 9 AM like this. Okay. Now here Django admin, start the project, Sir, template project 1. Can I use the word? Template project 1? Yes, I created template project 1. Okay, let me enter into template project 1, sir. Let me enter into template project 1. Now inside the template project 1, py manage.py, okay, start the app, okay, test the app, like this I'm taking. That's all. So application is ready. Let me go to that folder. What is our application, sir? Can you please tell? What is our application? Template project 1. Okay, this is application folder is ready, sir. Even application and project folder. Now inside the template project 1, very important, sir. Observe carefully. Inside the template project 1, we have to create a new folder. Right click on main project folder, template project 1. I have to create a folder. Can you please tell what is the name of the folder? What is the name of the folder? I have to create one folder. What is the name of the folder? Hey, just now I told, man. Just now I told. What is the name of the folder? Template or templates? The word is very important. Templates or template? Okay, templates. Okay, general word, templates. Okay, templates. Like this I created, sir. Yeah. In our application, in our project, another folder created is a templates folder created. Inside the template, okay, create, right click on the templates folder, new folder you have to create. What is the name of the folder I have to take? Can you please tell? What is the name of the folder I have to take inside templates? Please tell. Inside templates, what is the name? Our application name. Good programming practice. Okay. Inside this test app, all your HTML files you have to take. Okay. Now new file. Earlier I used a new folder. Now I have to use file. New file. Okay. Now what I want to take? Results dot HTML, like this I'm taking, sir. Yeah, that's all. This is my HTML file. Now observe that results.html. So make sure, sir, in your project folder, in your project folder, now take very special care, sir. In your project folder, we created, this is our main project folder, we created one folder named with the templates. In that test, in that results.html we did, sir. This is what you should aware. Everyone can able to understand? Only this is one new thing what we have to take. Can I go to the next level? Are you feeling comfortable up to this? Are you feeling comfortable up to this? Okay, well, now what is the next one, sir? Another small point I have to tell. What is the point? Is add this template folder path in our settings.py. In the settings.py, we added application. We have to add application. Similarly, add templates, add template folder path, add template folder path inside the settings.py. Okay, this is another extra activity I have to take. Are you getting? So after creating folder, we have to add that template folder path inside settings.py. Remember this one, sir. Very important. Are you getting that? Very important. You have to take a bit special care. Can I go for that? Can I go for that? Please, can you please tell? Can I go for that? No, you don't want. Okay, remember that. But anyway, sir, just aware, my intention is you have to get much clearly, much clarity. The doubt won't rise again. That's about that. Next, to add this one, a small chota concept I want to tell. What is that concept? Is take very special care about my explanation, sir. Let me take test.py. Can you please tell what is the name of this file? Anyone, can you please tell what is the name of this file? Ayo, respond, man. What is the name of this file? File name test.py. Test.py. Inside Python program, sir, this normal Python code I'm telling because this stuff, this knowledge must be required. So to understand how to add the template folder path in the settings.py. That's why just aware. Sir, I want to know current file name. Boss, what is the file name, sir? Just a simple print underscore file underscore. Can you please tell what I'm doing, sir? Can you please tell what I'm doing? Underscore file underscore. If you can ask now the name of the file by default we are going to get. Now let me run this code. Let me open another command prompt. Okay, Durga classes py test.py. If I run this code, what is the answer by default we are getting, sir? Test.py. Are you able to get the name of the file, the name of the Python file? If you want to know, then we require to use, okay, this code, sir. Underscore file underscore name. Okay, then. Sir, my target is I want to know complete absolute path. Absolute path means this test.py file is available in which location? Test.py file is available in which location? Can you please tell? Can you please tell? This test.py file is available in which location? In which location, sir? D column Durga classes test.py. At the top, if you want, you can observe complete path it is going to show. D column Durga classes test.py. Are you getting? Sir, I want the absolute path, not just a simple file name. I want the absolute path. This is about my requirement, right? How you can able to do that? How we can able to do that? Very simple, sir. Very simple. There is one module is there, OS module. Are you getting what the module name? What the module name? OS module, operating system, something like OS module is there. Now you can ask print of OS dot path. Regarding OS contain one path submodule is there. In that ABS, regarding OS package, in that path module, in that ABS path. Can you please tell what is the meaning of ABS path? What is the abbreviation? ABS path means what? Absolute path. Absolute path. What is the absolute path of __ file __ like this I'm asking. If I can do like this, what is the answer by default we are going to get is complete absolute path you are going to get, sir. Just observe normal Python syntaxes. Now, are you seeing the difference? Are you seeing the difference between both? Ayo, respond. Are you able to see the difference between both? Simple file, simple name of the file, but now absolute path by default we are getting. Okay, well. Now my next requirement is, observe that. I don't want file name. Current directory. Sir, the directory of the file, where it is available, I want to know, sir. Directory of the file, where it is available, I want to know, sir. What we require to take is, okay, what we require to take is this file we got absolute path, right? We got absolute path. This absolute path. Now I'm asking OS dot path dir name of you can ask like this. So if you can ask, this one is going to return absolute path. In that absolute path, what is the directory name? What is the directory name? OS dot path dot directory name we have to use. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Let me take another line so that you can aware the difference. OS dot path dot OS dot path dot OS dot path dot. What is the folder name we have to take? What is the method name we have to take? dir name. Can you please guess? Anyone? Can you please guess what is the answer we are going to get because of third print statement? Please respond. Anyone? Can you please guess what is the argument we are going to get because of third print statement? Please respond. Please respond. Directory name. What is the directory name? Means d:\Durga classes. d:\Durga classes. Like that it's going to print. Here full file path, but here only directory name I want. So directory name where this one is available. Then automatically you can use, sir, can you please observe? Regarding only directory name. So if you want to know what is the name of the current file, what is the absolute path of the current file, next what is the directory where current file is available, this is the code, Python code, what you people should be aware. Are you feeling comfortable? Are you feeling comfortable up to this? Please tell. Okay. Now there is one small point I have to take, sir. What is the point is? Listen very carefully, sir. Inside d:\Durga classes, d:\Durga classes, there is one folder I'm taking, sir. There is one folder I'm taking. What is the folder I'm going to take is template folder. Regarding what is the folder I'm taking, sir? Templates folder. Like this I'm taking just normally, sir. Of course, in this nothing is there. Can you please observe? Inside d:\Durga classes, there is a templates folder is there. Template folder is there, sir. I want to point to template folder. Can you please tell how we can able to take? I want to print up to this. This is the location I want. Can you please tell what is the location? Yes, observe which location you require. Okay, this one I require, sir. d:\Durga classes templates. d:\Durga classes templates. This location I have to refer. How I can able to refer? Sir, you know, if I can take os.path.dir name like this, can you please tell which one it is going to refer? Can you please confirm which one it is going to refer? it is always going to refer which ones are D colon Durga classes. Correct or not? D colon Durga classes. The file currently available where? Now, base dir is equal to, I'm using my own variable. I want base dir is equal to like this I'm taking. Can you please tell, if I use a base dir, what is the output we are going to get, sir? Okay, print of base dir, print of base dir. What is the output we are going to get? All the remaining, just let me comment so that you will get much clarity. Now, can you please tell if I use base dir, what is the output we are going to get now? Please confirm. What is the output we are going to get? OS dot path dir name, OS dot path dot absolute path. What is the name? What is the output we are going to get now? D colon Durga classes. D colon Durga classes. Correct or not? This is the absolute path, sir. For this absolute file path, what is the directory name? Is nothing but, sir, just I'm using base dir. Base dir means my own variable. D colon Durga classes. Observe that carefully, sir. D colon Durga classes. Like that we are going to get. Any doubt? Any doubt? Can you please observe carefully? Don't get confused. Okay? OS.path. Absolute abs path file. It is going to tell D colon Durga classes test.py. For this, what is the directory name? That directory name I saved inside my own variable. What is that variable, sir? Base dir. Okay. Now my target is inside base dir. There is one folder is there named with the templates. Correct or not? Inside base dir, there is one folder is there named with the templates folder. Correct or not? Templates folder is there. I want to refer that templates folder. What I have to take is here very simple, sir. Very simple. Template dir. I'm taking my own variable name. Sir, this can be any variable name, no problem at all. Template dir is equal to os dot path dot join. What is the method I'm taking? Can you please tell? os dot path dot join. Okay, can you please join base dir, comma templates, base dir, templates. What it means is, sir, already base dir is there. Base dir is pointing to D colon slash Durga classes. Can you please join with the templates? Means in the templates folder. What? Remember this one. So it is going to pointing to this template dir pointing to D colon Durga classes templates folder. Which method we are using, sir? Join. OS dot path dot join base dir template. For the base dir, can you please extend these templates also? Now let me print the template dir. Anyone? Can you please tell what is the output we are going to get? Please confirm. What is the output we are going to get now? What is the output we are going to get now? Templates up to D colon Durga classes, up to templates for default we are going to get, sir. Okay? Which methods we use, sir? Everything can you please cross check? Have you observed? Are you in the position to understand? This one? The advantage here is, if I use this type of approach, what is the advantage is, I never hard coded my locations. in the program. Have you observed, right? You can execute this program on any mission, it is going to contain. It's going to tell, sir. Okay, on any mission, it is going to work out. Okay, I never hard coded any D colon Durga classes, something like that. That is the biggest advantage, right? Now, this approach we are going to use while configuring template directory path in our settings.py file. Remember this one. Because I'm spending huge time, almost 20 minutes, 15 minutes, but that knowledge compulsory you people should aware. Do that. Just don't try to remember as it is. Okay. So means you have to aware internally. Up to this is the clear, right? Up to this, everyone can able to understand? Friends, up to this is that clear for you people, right? Okay, well, now this is only, can you please tell what is this one? This is the very important for me. Can you please read everyone? Everyone, can you please read this line? Template dir is equal to os.path.join this dir comma templates, like this, right? Okay, well, now, sir, first step we did already. Here, just observe that carefully. First step, sir. First step, we started application, we started project, we started application, we created HTML files, templates folder, HTML. Add the application in the settings.py, add the template folder in the settings.py. This is the only one activity is the remaining, right? Let me open settings.py. Let me open settings.py. Okay, now first step, add application. Where we have add? Can you please guide? Inside the installed apps. Where we require add? Inside the installed apps. Okay, what is the name of the application, sir? Test the app. Okay, well, completed. I added application, right? What is the next new activity came? Add the template folder. Add the template folder path inside settings.py. Add the template folder path inside settings.py. Okay, what is that? Sir, can you please tell where the template folder is available? Where the template folder is available? Can you please tell? Inside demo project. Inside demo project. Inside that templates folder is available inside demo project. Where this demo project is available? Can you please tell where this demo project is available? Yes, now observe that. Now observe a bit very carefully, sir. Where this template project is available? I mean, this template project is available. D colon projects 9 AM template project. Wow, this is the path, sir. In the templates folder. Wow. This is the path of your templates location. Now observe this one. Now observe what is the folder? What is the path of your templates folder? D colon D Django projects 9 AM template project 1 templates like this. We have to add this one inside the settings.py. Okay, well, let me open settings.py. Okay, after here import OS is already there. We are not required to do so. After base dir, now I have to take, let me take one variable template dir is equal to like you can able to copy. Regarding template dir is equal to, we can able to copy. Legend d colon \d Django projects \template project 1 \templates, like this we have to do that. Can you please guide? Is this way, is it recommended or not recommended? Anyone? Ayo, is it recommended or not recommended? Not recommended or not recommended? Not recommended. What the reason? What the reason? You are hard coding your system locations inside settings.py. Tomorrow, I will give this project. Hey, sir, Durga sir developed a beautiful project. Like he's going to copy paste this project. He's going to execute in his system. But in his system, the problem is is a folder. He is not running in the D colon. Maybe he's running in the E colon. Maybe he's running in the E colon. Then maybe the problem are not. That's why in our application or project, system specific locations never recommended to hard code. Remember that. Are you able to get? Are you able to understand? Never recommended to hard code system locations, right? Okay. Then without the hard coding, how I can point to templates dir? 1 minute, sir. There is one variable is already there. Base dir is already there, sir. Already there. So now what this base dir is going to represent? Let me print this base dir value. Print of base dir. Print of base dir. I'm trying to print base dir value. Listen carefully, sir. Let me go to in this location already there. Sir, py what where it is available based EIR is available. This settings.py file is available where, sir? Inside the temp project, inside again inner temp project. In that it is there. In that it is there, sir. Now let me go to that. You are already outer project. Go to inner temp project, inner template project 1. Now here if you observe that, can you please observe here settings.py is already available. Okay, py settings.py. Sir, executing settings.py very rare. We never want to do that. Don't worry, sir. If I can take settings.py, what it is going to print is what is the value of base EIR? It is going to print, sir. What is the value of base EIR? It's going to print. Now, can you please observe what is the value of base EIR? D: Django project 9 AM, template project 1. Oh, base EIR is already pointing that up to that location. This is the output. This is the output by default I'm getting, sir. D: Django projects and then template project 1 is already there. What is the next extra thing I require? What is the next extra thing I require for my template directory? For my template directory, what is the next extra thing? Only templates. Only templates, sir. Then instead of hard coding template EIR, let me take in this style. Template dir is equal to os.path.join. os.path.join. Can you please tell what is the code? Can you please tell what is the code I have to take? Base dir, comma, templates. Base dir, comma, templates. Now, is it really working or not? Let me print template dir also. Template dir also. I'm trying to print template dir. I'm trying to print base dir and template dir. Okay. Now, have a look once, sir. Can you please observe my template dir pointing to templates folder? Wow, how beautiful this code. Are you able to understand? Please, are you in the position to understand, right? The biggest advantage what I'm doing is I'm not hard coding anything. Now, these extra added things, let me remove, sir. I'm just removing extra added things. That's all. Only template dir. Only template dir. This one is always pointing to templates folder. So, in this line, only this line, to explain this line, I took this much time. But anyway, you people should be aware internally what is os.path.join, what advantage we are going to get, and so on. Any doubt? Any doubt? What is the advantage of this approach? Am I hard coding any system specific locations? Am I hard coding any system specific locations? No, we are not hard coding any system specific locations. So the biggest advantage what we are going to get on any system, happily you can copy paste this project. Definitely it's going to work. Don't worry, sir. Okay, this is one thing we have to take. Okay, can you please just I'm removing this one. Can you please guide again? What is the line I have to take? Can you please write line? Because this line we are going to use minimum 1000 times in our classes. That's why you should be aware. Can you please type this line? Everyone, can you please type this line once? Hey, respond. Can you please type? Take your own time. Because that line we are going to use minimum 1000 times. I want to see that line, complete line from you. Hey, you are not typing. Type and then copy paste. I want to see from you. What is the line I have to type? Already I typed. Template dir is equal to os.path.join base dir, comma, templates. Have you observed, Lavanya? You did mistake. Good, Vijay. Madhavi, it is not required. Not that much. Very simple. Very simple. Observe that the people now you have to think once. If you start writing, then you can able to understand whether you are getting a run. OS dot path dot join. OS dot path dot join. Okay, base dir, comma templates. That's all. Same line only. I'm asking same line. Just you have to familiar. That's all. Base dir, comma templates. This is the line what we have to take care. Clear? Next, only one thing you have to take. Sir, you just created a variable which is pointing to templates. We just created a variable which is pointing to templates. Templates like this, we just created, sir. Now, what is the next one I have to take? You have to specify this template dir variable somewhere. Just go down, 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 down. Are you seeing there is a list is there, namely with the templates? Are you seeing, sir? Can you please tell, observe very carefully? What is this variable is there? Templates. Everything is the predefined. Templates is already there. In that, first end is backend. What is the second key? It is the dictionary, sir. It is the dictionary. Key values like it is the dictionary like. Sir, in that, what is the second variable? Second variable name? DIRS. DIRS. In that list, you have to add template dir. That's all, friends. This is the only thing what we have to take. So there is one list is there, templates. In that there is one variable is there, DIRS. In that we require to take template dir. Copy paste that variable. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? That's all. So if you want to add the templates in our settings.py, only 2 activities you have to take. Sir, these 2 activities always fixed. Copy paste for everything. Template dir is equal to os.path.join. This is one line, and then that variable we have to specify under templates dir. Yes, template dir. That's all, sir. This is the thing what you have to give it. Okay, you can add any number. Gaurav, you can add any number of directories, no problem at all. Saurabh, more than one is also possible. Getting right? Any doubt up to this? Capital is compulsory means it is highly recommended to declare these good programming practice. Means that location is always fixed like that. That location is always fixed like that. We are using that. Don't change its value. That is the intention. But you can take X also, no problem at all. Okay, any name, lowercase, uppercase, anything is allowed. But anyway, yeah. Saurabh, adding CSS files, there is a big story. Static files, I will tell. That is our next cinema. Saurabh, adding CSS files, that's a big story. That is our, after getting some clarity about this static, this what we call templates, and then I will do that. Don't worry. Any doubt? Are you in the position to understand, right? That's all. These are the 2 things you people should be aware. Sir, we added test app. Yes, already we added test app. Already we added test app. Add application to the install, and then add template dir. Add a template directory. Okay, to the dir's variable, right? These are the 2 things. If you feel comfortable, then nothing is there. Remaining story is always the same. Okay, just in the next session, I will add some more extra masala so that first example you are going to see, sir.